Federal High Court sitting in Lagos State of Nigeria has found guilty 15 Chinese citizens, 2 Philippines and 1 Pakistan national for cyber-terrorism. Hence the court sentenced them to 1 year imprisonment and ordered the Nigeria Immigration Service to facilitate the deportation of the convicts immediately after they completed the various jail term. Details of the report as presented by the Public Relations Unit of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC reads verbatim below. Court jails 15 Chinese, 2 Filipinos, 1 Pakistani for cyber-terrorism, internet fraud in Lagos. The Lagos Zonal Directorate 1 of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on Thursday, June 19th and Friday, June 20th, 2025, secured the conviction and sentence of 15 Chinese, 2 Filipinos and 1 Pakistani for cyber-terrorism and internet fraud before Justices OsazuwaAkonedo, Ayokunle Faji and Yelam Bogoro of the Federal High Court sitting in Ikoyi, Lagos. The suspects are Peng Li Huan, Zhang Jinrong, He Kun, Rochelle Cabalona, Casalan Pianella, Guo Long Long, Zhang Huazhai, Lin Haobo, Chen Fusheng, Chen Dongdong, Wang Gonglin, Pan Kaiyu, Huang Renjian, Zhang Xiaolei, Karam Shazad, Chen Yuan, Wu Yong and Chen Xin. The suspects were arraigned on separate charges bordering on cyber-terrorism and internet fraud. One of the charges reads, that Casalan Pianella, sometime in December 2024, in Lagos, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, willfully caused to be accessed, computer systems organized to seriously destabilize and destroy the fundamental economic and social structure of Nigeria when you procured, employed Nigerian youths for identity theft and to hold themselves out as persons of foreign nationality, with the intent to gain financial advantage for yourselves, and you thereby committed an offense contrary to and punishable under Section 18 of the Cybercrimes Prohibition, Prevention, etc. Act 2015, as amended 2024, and Section 2(3)(d) of the Terrorism Prevention, Prohibition Act 2022. They all pleaded guilty to the charges when they were read to them. In view of their pleas, the prosecution counsel, Spifa Wede, Vilkasu Buhari Bala, Chinenye Okezi, Ebuka Okongwu, BM Isa and Namba Mutfwang respectively prayed the court to convict the defendants and also order the forfeiture of all the exhibits recovered from them. The judges found them guilty of the charges and convicted them accordingly. All the convicts were sentenced to 1 year imprisonment, with a fine of 1 million nairas, 1 million naira. The judge also ordered that upon completion of their sentences, the Controller General of the Nigeria Immigration Service, NIS, should ensure that they are repatriated to their country of origin within 7 days. The judge also ordered that the items recovered from them be forfeited to the federal government of Nigeria. The convicts are among the 792 suspects arrested by operatives of the EFCC for alleged cyber-terrorism. They were charged to court and jailed. EFCC arraigns fake Bureau de Change operator in Lagos. The Lagos Zonal Directorate 2 of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on Wednesday, June 18, 2025, arraigned one Abdul Karim Awalu before Justice A.O. Owoi of the Federal High Court sitting in Ikoyi, Lagos. Awalu was arraigned on a 6-count charge bordering on operating Bureau de Change business without an appropriate license by the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN. The petitioner alleged that he was approached by some unknown persons on the phone with a business proposal for investments in the defendant's business and other related businesses in Nigeria. The proposal allegedly involved the injection of about $10 million, $10 million USD, into the defendant's science and hospital equipment business. It was also alleged that in the course of facilitating the transmission of the boxes containing the $10,000, $10 million USD, the purported agents of the defendant kept presenting demand notices for the payment of various amounts of money from the nominal complainant under the guise of meeting statutory charges for the clearance of the said boxes containing the money to his Kano office address. Investigation revealed that Awalu made cash payments, rather than using a financial institution. One of the counts reads, that you, Abdul Karim Awolu, sometime within January and April 2024 in Lagos, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, without a company duly incorporated in Nigeria, failed to obtain a valid license from the Central Bank of Nigeria to carry on your business of bureau de change, and you thereby committed an offense contrary to Section 57 of the Banks and Other Financial Institutions Act, 2020 and punishable under Sections 57(5) of the same Act. He pleaded not guilty to the charge preferred against him. In view of this, the prosecution counsel, A.A. Usman, asked the court for a trial date and also prayed for the remand of the defendant in a correctional center. The defense counsel, Abdulkadir Wodi, however, informed the court of a pending bail application, which he sought to move. Responding, Usman told the court that he had not received the bail application. He was, thereafter, served in the open court. Justice Owoi remanded the defendant in the correctional center and adjourned till July 1, 2025 for the hearing of the bail application.
OsazuwaAkonedo, bringing you the news in a more digital way.